Figuring out the ideal skincare routine for yourself can be way more difficult than it sounds. It can take months and even years to finally find products that work best for you. Hi everyone, I'm Aisha. I have extremely oily skin and I also used to have terrible hormonal acne in my early teens as well. It's taken me quite a few years and a lot of trial and error to build myself a skincare routine that has finally left me with clear skin. So I wanted to share it with you guys so you can give it a try too. My morning routine consists of a cleanser, toner, moisturizer and a sunscreen as well. I start with the Neutrogena Deep Clean Blackhead Eliminating Daily Scrub. It's very mildly exfoliating and the granules in it are quite gentle, so I feel comfortable using it every day as it keeps my excess oil production in check and also prevents blackheads. It leaves my oily skin feeling fresh but not too tight or dried out. Immediately after cleansing my face, I soak a cotton pad in Pixie's Glow Tonics Exfoliating Toner. It has 5% glycolic acid, which helps dissolve dead skin cells and get rid of any dirt and oil left over on my skin. The glycolic acid might sting your skin just a little, especially if you have open acne, so make sure to do a patch test first. Even though I have oily skin, this step is super important. So all I do is dab some of Belif's True Cream Aqua Balm on my cheeks, nose, chin and forehead and then pat it into my skin. This Korean gel-based cream is made for oily but dehydrated skin and is ultra lightweight. Its fast-absorbing formula keeps my skin moisturized but never greasy. Since my skin tone is a little lighter, I burn really easily and my skin is easily prone to sun damage as well. So sunscreen is key. Once my moisturizer is absorbed, I use Neutrogena's Ultra Sheer Dry Touch Sunscreen all over my face. Its mattifying formula isn't like other sunscreens that usually tend to break me out and make my skin extremely sticky. And its high SPF gives me the perfect protection from the sun. My nighttime routine has a few more products in it because I often want to give my skin an extra kick of moisture even though it's oily to prevent premature aging. I start off with the same Neutrogena face wash, but twice or thrice a week I also use Foreo's Luna Play Plus exfoliator. It's a waterproof battery-powered exfoliator with soft silicone bristles that pulse to take away excess makeup, dirt, and it helps to improve your blood circulation too. I use it with my cleanser for about 1 minute all over my face before rinsing. Then it's time for my Pixie toner once again on a cotton pad. I like to use a heavier moisturizer at night to keep my skin healthy, so I dot on some Cetaphil moisturizing cream and then massage it in. Even though this is a fairly heavy product, it's non-comedogenic, so I never have to worry about it clogging my pores while I sleep, and it really hydrates my skin too. Since the skin around our eyes is the most sensitive part of our face, it needs a little extra love, which is why I use Body Shop's Eyes Cube. It's infused with vitamin E, which is a hero ingredient for getting rid of dark circles, and its stick packaging makes it super easy to apply in just a few seconds. It always leaves my eyes feeling cool and relaxed and has them looking fresh in the morning. As the final step of my routine, if I feel any pimples starting to come up, or if I have any active acne, I use Organic Riot's Anti-Acne Serum, ZAP. It has neem oil and manuka honey extracts that reduce my pimples overnight, and it's all natural, so I never have to worry about any chemicals sitting on my skin as I sleep. I hope you enjoyed hearing about my skincare routine, and if you give it a try, do let us know how it worked for you in the comments below. Until next time, stay tuned and stay glamorous.